Today in Better Fitness, we are talking about setting goals for your body and your health.
Trainer Mike Jelly is here from Fitness Together in Rocky Hill to talk specifically about setting SMART goals. Welcome to Better. And Mike, you're telling us SMART is actually an acronym which stands for several different things.
Yes, SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound.
I love that. I love the acronyms when you put them
Yeah,
together.
it helps you, get focused, which is really what we want when we're setting a goal. What would a SMART goal be? It's Black Friday, so, I'm thinking like people say, I'm losing 20 pounds by next week. That's probably not a SMART goal, right?
No. Well, I mean, it is a SMART goal, but it's not attainable. A really good SMART goal would be to make sure that we try to lose 20 pounds by April 1st, because that is specific, that is measurable, like in pounds. It is attainable, because you lose 5 pounds a month. It is relevant, because people are going to gain a little bit of weight around the holidays, and they want to look better, feel better, and then health issues possibly. And then it's time-bound by the fact that it's a certain amount of time. I mean, it'll be by April 1st.
Which I think is great, because you're not going to give up certain things over the holidays. So there's like a little cheat room built in there if you're planning it over several months. But April is going to be here before you know it, so that it definitely is attainable.
It's absolutely attainable. I mean, it's a few months away, so it's around 5 pounds a month. And that's definitely possible if you work hard.
So, but to take it a step further, to say, well, I'm going to lose, it's not enough to say I'm going to lose 20 pounds by April 1st. How are you going to do that, right? So then you break it down even more, like what would be some good goals that you'd actually attain that?
Well, you'd make sure that you would try to, like I said, lose around maybe 5 pounds a month, maybe a little bit per week. You change your fitness habits, you change your eating habits, and these little changes all add up over time.
Tell us about Fitness Together. It's a great place.
Yeah, Fitness Together, I love working there. It's a one-on-one training studio in Rocky Hill. It's on 156 New Britain Ave. And we take each client and we assess their individual goals. And we figure out their nutrition, a perfect fitness plan for them, and then implement it. So then they can get to exactly where they want to get to, fitness-wise, health-wise, and we really try to instill a fitness lifestyle in them.
Okay.
So it's sort of one-step shopping, because we'll be aligned with a trainer, and there's someone to kind of hold you accountable and maybe help set these SMART goals.
Exactly. Well, you'll be aligned with multiple trainers. We have a lot of really, really good trainers in studio, so then you're not with one person. You're going to learn from all different types of people who are good at flexibility, good at weight training, really getting the all-around approach to fitness.
I love the fact that, because I love fruitcake. I know you make fun of me because I do love fruitcake.
You really do like the fruitcake.
I really do like the fruitcake, and I can have a piece of that without having to worry that it's going to crash my whole diet. I think people who don't, and they just completely avoid everything, and they're like so strict, it sets them up, I think it kind of sets them up for failure.
Absolutely. I mean, it really is everything in moderation. And I know the holidays are coming around, so you can have your fruitcake. Everything's good with that. I mean, I love cheesecake, so I'll have a little bit of that.
Okay, you'll even eat cheesecake.
Exactly, and I'm a trainer, so that's fine.
Right.
But you just got to make sure that once you're done with that, you kind of get back on the horse and you work hard. You work hard and you get to where you want to get to.
Get to where you want to get to.
So if you, for instance, you're going to a holiday party on Saturday and you want to enjoy it, how would you set yourself up is it just, okay, I'm only going to do that one meal, or you set up your other days of what you're going to be doing?
So I would definitely set up my other days and my other meals for that day in particular. Just make sure that you are really on point with everything that you do. And then when you go to the holiday party, just don't crazy overindulge. Have what you want, because it is the holidays and life is about moderation. You do want to enjoy your time, but just make sure that you don't go overboard.
And this is not only with just food. I mean, you could do a SMART goal with fitness, with exercise, like say, hey, I'm going to do cardio 3 days a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
That's perfect. That's an absolutely perfect SMART goal.
Okay, so you don't have to extend yourself. I'm going to go to the gym every single day, because that's kind of unattainable.
There you go, and that's exactly it. You can tell you're listening. That's perfect.
Excellent.
Right. What do you tell people is ideal? If they want to lose weight, how many days do you like to get them working out, and for how long?
So it really depends on their fitness level. If someone is brand new to the gym, I mean, if they can get into the gym twice a week, maybe 3 times a week, really just to start implementing it in their lifestyle and then changing up their eating habits, that's perfect. If someone is really, really fit already, then we can get them into 4, even 5 times a week and really just get to their goals.
And they start loving it after a while.
You really become like addicted to fitness. It's a lot of fun because like I said, you get addicted to the results and the
feeling, because you have all those good endorphins going that a lot of people are grumpy, so you got to get that out.
That's perfect.
Well, thank you, Mike. We appreciate your time. Happy holidays to you.
Thanks for having me. Happy holidays to you too.
All right, for more information about setting SMART goals and to learn about how the folks at Fitness Together in Rocky Hill might be able to help you with training and fitness, head to fitnesstogether.com/Rocky Hill.